Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making a delicious curry, chili paneer. This curry has protein-rich paneer and capsicum. First of all, I have taken 1 cup of homemade paneer. To these paneer pieces, I added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Then I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. I mixed them well so that the paneer pieces are coated with all other ingredients. When they are coated with dry ingredients, I sprinkled a little bit of water and then mixed it again. I heated some coconut oil for deep fry. When the oil is hot, add the battered paneer pieces into the hot oil and fry them until golden color. Once they turn golden color, remove them from oil onto a paper towel and keep them aside. In a skillet, take 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some green chilies. But here I am using 1 tablespoon of green chili paste. Keep stirring them until they are fried. Once the ginger garlic and green chili are fried, add 1 cup of diced onion. Stir them once and add the capsicum. Here I took about half a cup each of green, orange, red and yellow bell peppers. Now stir fry the onion and capsicum or bell peppers. Don't fry them too much. Now you can see the capsicum is still crunchy. Now reduce the flame and then we will add the sauces. About 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 1 or 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce and about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now stir them well. The flame has been reduced all this time. Add 2 teaspoons of corn flour to a little bit of water and make it into a slurry and add it to the curry. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Add some fresh pepper powder. Stir it once. Now add the fried paneer and mix it well. Mix it until the paneer pieces are coated with sauces. Sprinkle some finely chopped cilantro and serve it hot with rice or quinoa. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my Facebook page. Please check my Telugu channel also.